How to make extra money a month. With 0.5% cut in the interest rate down to 1.5%, the lowest in the Bank of England's 315-year history, the news will be bittersweet to several members of the public. Mortgage holders will be happy, as for many this lower rate can see their repayment debts falling drastically, with some even coming down to by as much as 50%. However, savers will be feeling the pinch, as the lower interest rate will leave them with lower revenue coming into their accounts. Some may even fall into debt, as their savings may be their only source of income, with job losses becoming increasingly frequent. Another key group is pensioners. Some 12 million who rely on interest from their savings to top up their pensions will be seeing their source of income creeping up at a much slower rate. For example, a pensioner with £5,000 in savings will be likely to see their yearly interest fall by £111 to just £71.50. Some of the best savings accounts deals have already been removed from banks and building societies, and economists are warning that if the rate continues to fall, savers could soon be paying banks to look after their money rather than gaining interest on their hard-earned cash. Many instant access accounts already pay less than 1%, while according to a financial statistics from a finance website, the average rate on savings account has fallen to 1.57%, down from 3.83% last September. In response to the fourth consecutive cut in the interest rate, Sharon Brantley, chartered financial planner for a financial website, stated that pensioners are going to be forced to consider other options to supplement their incomes, and is not surprised that the equity release market is expected to grow. By opting for an equity release plan, whether it be a lifetime mortgage or a drawdown plan, homeowners can start benefiting from the capital they have locked up in their homes without actually having to move.